Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here, out here at the Avon Park field. We're gonna take up the Arrows F8F Bearcat. Have a little bit of fun with her. All right. Yeah, she'll turn on a dime, that's for sure. All right.
Gear up. Time remaining 4 minutes. Landing flaps.
I'm sorry I'm so high right now.
Gear down.
Oh,
Flaps up.
what a great landing plane. Tell you what, we'll walk down here.
Self-level.
Oh,
Low range.
whoa.
Experienced mode.
Can't do self-level. No way. You saw what happened then.
Gear up. Time remaining 3 minutes.
Yeah. Gonna have to take that self-level out. Oh man, is that beautiful.
Flaps up. Gear down. Take off flaps.
What we'll do is this time we'll land with just takeoff flaps this time. All right, get her nice and level. About 1/8 of power now. There we go. And we'll keep on going with it.
Flaps up. Gear up. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Today must be Warbird Thursday. Instead of Warbird Wednesday.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Well, gear drop down awfully quick, don't they? Oh, she'll slow right down for you. All right, we got a minute.
Flaps up. Take off flaps.
We got a minute.
Flaps up. Gear up.
There, that's full speed right there.
Gear down. Landing flaps. Flaps up. Time remaining 1 minute. Self-level.
Oh,
Experienced mode.
I keep forgetting where that self-level switch is.
Landing flaps.
I need to just go ahead and take that out. All right, we're going to turn around again. We're still a little too high. All right. A little bit better. You know what?
Flaps up.
You know I'm going to do it.
Landing flaps. Time expired.
Yes, yes, yes. Time's expired. Our fun is over. All right, folks. Well, there you go. That is the Arrows F8F Bearcat.
Flaps up.
Are you a happy bird? You're a happy bird. And what do you want to hear before you touch a plane?
Motor off.
Motor off. All right, let me show you where I've got the receiver and the battery. I'm running an Admiral Stability Plus, which does have self-level, which I'm going to disable because I don't like it. And I've got a HRB 3300, and okay, the motor's off, and she balances pretty good right there. Pretty good right there. 3300 right there, and it's actually touching the firewall back there, so that's where you're going to put it if you get a 3300. Of course, anything you put in here, you want to go all the way forward. That just seems to work. And like I say, that's an Admiral Stability Plus receiver. Folks, thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless y'all.